First, let's set up the espresso stand. There are two halves to the espresso stand. Take one hand, grab one half, take the other hand, grab the other half, and pull out like so until it extends. Now there's two surfaces. One surface with the rubber feet, that will go onto the surface that you're placing the stand on. The other surface with the espresso logo will be the surface that magnetically attaches to the espresso display. Set your stand to something like so, and you're ready to attach the espresso display. We're going to take our espresso display and we're going to magnetically attach it to the espresso stand. This is the back of the espresso display. Your espresso stand is going to sit somewhere around the middle part of the display here. So I'm going to turn the stand around so you can see where exactly it's placed. It's going to snap just like that. Notice the area where the stand is positioned. This is the optimum area where the magnets will fully attach to each other. From the front, this is what it looks like. And from the side, this is how it should look. Now that we have our espresso display attached to the stand, next, let's connect the espresso display to our laptop. You will need an espresso branded USB-C cable. First, take one end of the USB-C cable and connect it to the USB-C port on the espresso display. Next, take the other end of the USB-C cable and connect it to one of the USB-C ports on your laptop device. Give it a few seconds for it to connect. And there we have it. You have now successfully connected the espresso display to your laptop device. With the espresso display connected to your laptop device, we can now change the arrangement of the displays. On a Mac, go to System Settings, scroll down to Displays, and in the Displays tab, click Arrange. And from here, click and drag your espresso display window to whichever position you want in relation to your laptop screen. On a Windows laptop, click the Start menu and go to Settings. And within Settings, go to Display. And within Display, you can now click and drag your espresso display screen to anywhere in relation to your laptop screen. If the device you wish to connect to the espresso display does not have the appropriate USB-C port, we have two adapters which may help with that. The first one we have is the mini display port to USB-C and USB. Locate the mini display port, insert the mini display port cable into the socket. Locate the USB port on your device and insert the USB cable into that socket. Take the USB-C end of the adapter and connect it into the USB-C port on the espresso display. The second adapter we offer is the HDMI to USB-C and USB. Locate the HDMI port on your device, connect the HDMI cable into the port. Next, take the USB cable and connect it into the USB port on the device. Take the other end of the adapter, which has the USB-C cable, and connect it to the USB-C port on the espresso display. If you wish to adjust the brightness of the espresso display, simply take two fingers and swipe up from the black bezel onto the screen itself, and a pop-up box should appear. Touch and drag on the brightness slider to adjust the brightness.